Hello all. Now we are just going to see types of AI agent. So we know AI agents, it is enabled device with sensors generally captures information from environment setup and process the data for further actions. Two-way agents interact with the environment such as perception and action. The person is only capturing the information without changing the actual environment, whereas action is the active form of interaction by changing the actual environment. So these are the things we have seen in the last slide itself, what is meant by agent and so on so things. Next thing what we just want to know is what is meant by agent function, how the function of agent is going to be. It is a mathematical function that maps a sequence of perception into action. It is implemented by agent program. So we can say an example of agent is, we know an agent is defined as someone or something that makes something happen. A bee taking pollen from flower to flower in an is an example of the bee being an agent for pollination. Agent can be grouped into 5 classes based on their degree of perceived intelligence and capabilities. All these agents can improve their performance and generate better action over the time. They are mentioned in 5 agents. Let us see. So here there are several 5 types of agents, which is simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agents, utility based agents, and last is learning agents. Let we see each and every agents how it is working based on their categories. First thing, it is about simple reflex agent. Simple reflex agent, which means it is a name itself indicates simple, so it is the simplest agent. These agents take decision on the basis of the current percepts and ignore the rest of the percepts history. These agents only called in the fully observed environment. The simple reflex agent does not consider any part of perceived history during their decision and action process. The simple reflex agents work on condition action rule, which means it maps the current state to action, such as room cleaner agent. It works only if there is a dirt in the room. This agent only succeed in the fully observable. So if there is fully observable, only it can able to achieve. Problem for simple reflex agent in design approaches, they have very limited intelligence. They do not have knowledge of non-perceptual part of the current state. Mostly too long to generate and store. It is non-adaptive to change in the environment. So example for simple reflex agent is, when light act as a stimulus, the pupil of the eye changes in the size. Sudden jerky withdrawal of hand or leg when pricked by a pin. Coughing or sneezing because of irritants in the nasal passages. And in technical term, we can say the example of a simple reflex agent is, an industrial robot working on part transfer across machines is a good example. And also we can say another example as, I draw a drawing robot. It directly converts the typed in character into writing without requiring to store past perceived informations. So these are all about simple reflex agent. So which means it works on the basis of current perception and does not bother about the previous state in which the system was. It based on condition action rule. If there is a condition, it will work on. If there is no condition, it will not work on. So another example we can also say that operates on condition initiate an action. We said that it is work on condition action rule. So it operates on condition. Condition means, so the floor is dirty, and initiate an action. So on seeing the dirty floor, we just vacuum the particular floor, right? So if there is a dirty, it will be we have to vacuum. So there is an action. It follows the predetermined rule that if a floor is dirty, the vacuum should sweep up, but if the floor is clean, the vacuum will pass by the area. So this is the best example we can say it as a for a simple reflex agent, which is cleaning the floor. Which if it is a dirty, that is a condition. If it is not dirty, the vacuum is not needed. That is the best example for simple reflex agent. So let me see with an diagrammatic representation. So here first comes to sensor. So the sensor seeing through eyes and any activities. So through sensors, what is the world is like now? If it is a dirty floor, it is sees through sensor. So what action I should do now? So if it is a dirty floor, so based on the condition action rule, the action will be taken part. So the environment, through the environment, it just perceived, and through sensors, it just thinking what the world is like now and what should action I should do now. So based on the condition action rule, the actuator will play an action through the environment. So this is what the simple reflex agent is. So the simple reflex agent is name itself, it is a simple one. So the problem one is here, by using the simple reflex agent is, as we said earlier, it has very limited intelligence. So based on the condition only it going to act. So very limited intelligence. They don't have knowledge of non-perceptual part of the current state. So doesn't know the knowledge about current state. Mostly too long to generate and store. So memory is also very limited. So if there is a longer part of thing, it is very difficult to store. So non-adaptive to the change in the environment. If the environment is frequently get changed, the adaptive of thing is non-adaptive. Adaptive thing is very critical. Here in this case of simple reflex agent. So this is what is meant by simple reflex agent. So we know that is agent is a main part of the thing here in the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means making a machine to work like a human. So the agent, one of the part of the artificial intelligence, which can perceive the information and which generally sensors, captures the information from environment setup and process the data for further actions. So all these things make the agent to work depends upon the performance in these all 5 categories. Simple, either it is simple or model or goal, whatever it is, 5 agent. Based on the performance, based on the environment, all these agents going to be work in the particular environment. That's all. Thank you.